Hey everybody, got a package from Cloudray official store off Aliexpress. This is a Ruida, or however you pronounce it, controller for the CO2 laser. So let's see what's inside. Paid expedited shipping. They shipped it within 24 hours and it was here within 5-6 days. So ordered it on Friday and it was here the next Friday. So it was pretty fast shipping, and shipping charges were not astronomical like a lot of places on Aliexpress. So we've got connectors, RCD6445G. This is the display. The display looks cool. That would be a bag of cables. Ethernet panel mount. That's the power supply. That's a little power supply. I'm going to use the factory power supply that's in there. It's a bit beefier. So we have a power supply. It's a lot for that little box. So it looks like it's all here.